Hey, welcome back, homesteaders. Today, there's an annoying problem that we've got on the homestead. That's it. I'm sure a lot of you have had this before, and of course you just replace the battery. But what if you can't get to a battery and this is just beeping out of control and you still want to use your gate? I'm going to show you how to take care of that. So this beeping is bothering the heck out of us, and I'm not able to get to the store right now to get a battery. It's going to take me a couple days to get there. Our battery is working, the gate is working. It's just this low battery indicator beeps at a certain level and it won't stop, even though the gate is still operable. So let's get into this thing, and I'm going to show you how to take care of that. First off, we're going to unpin our opener unit here, and we're going to flip it upside down so we can gain access to the panel below. I've unloosened these 3 screws right here on the bottom panel, and we're just going to take this bottom panel off. Right here is the speaker for that beeper, and essentially the only thing we're going to do is unplug it. That's going to give us the ability to kill that nasty loud beep, and you can see I'll turn it back on here. The gate will still function, no problem, and it's not beeping. So it's really easy to take and get rid of that annoying beep so that you don't have to listen to it while you're in the midst of making, in our case, a 50-mile round trip to go get a battery, which we can't do right at this moment. So we're turned on, the gate will work with no problem, and we're not hearing that beep, and that beep's not bugging our one neighbor that we have that actually lives within earshot of us. So that's all it takes. Okay, well, it's been a day and we got our battery. Now the only issue we have with the battery is this old marine battery we were not able to find. This is one from the previous homeowner. We've been here 3 years, and I think this thing has been in here for several years beyond that, maybe 4 or 5 years. But this has an extra connector here instead of just the regular terminal on these automotive and marine batteries. It's got a secondary terminal here where you can screw on this connector for your gate opener. So we had to improvise and go and also purchase, beside the battery, we've got these little connectors here. So these are going to help us. It's got this additional terminal. This slips over the regular battery terminal on the new battery, and we can attach our gate opener wires to this connector here. Just going to slip these over the top of the terminals here, tighten them down, and then we can attach our wiring. These new brass connectors are really nice if you've got another project where you need to attach a smaller wire to a car battery. Instead of having an alligator clip on here or something like that, these are fantastic. I'll put them down, put that link down below, and also put them in our Amazon store. Let's turn our gate back on. Now that we've got our new battery in, all we're going to do is flip our opener back over, take off the cover, and plug our beeper back into the circuit board. Simple as that. If you haven't done it already, hit that subscribe button down below and join this growing family here on the Z Family Homestead at Country Living Experience. Also, go check us out on countrylivingexperience.com. Don't forget to like the video. Also, share it with your friends. We're thankful that you're here. See you next time.